Raining cats and dogs. It's raining cats and dogs today, said the mother to her son. Cats and dogs? The boy quickly ran outside to see. He looked up to the sky, but he didn't see any cats or dogs. What do you mean, Mom? The boy asked. How can it rain cats and dogs? Oh no, I don't mean cats and dogs are falling from the sky, said the mother. Then she said, when people say that, they really mean it's raining hard. Here comes the rain. Hope you enjoyed this short story. Stay tuned for the next one, A Bird That Cannot Fly. Please like, share, and subscribe to Arsal Academy and not forget to hit the bell icon.